Bagley is magical. It's magical in that the culture and climate is phenomenal. The children are exemplary, and we are a family here. The teachers are amazing. The teachers bring their children and enroll them here in the school.
Coming to work every day at Bagley is a joy. A lot of people can't say that when they come to work, but I enjoy being at work, and it is sad that we're going through the pandemic. I miss the students, I miss the warmth, I miss that connection, but Bagley has that sense of community that a lot of schools don't have.
What I always tell my staff, teamwork makes the dream work. So we all work together to, reach for the goals that we set for the kids and for our classrooms.
We have so many talented teachers. If it's something that we don't understand, or if there's something that we need to work on, if one teacher has a gift for doing it, that teacher is able to assist the rest of us.
When you come into Bagley, you're going to get a smiley face, you're going to get respect, and most of all, you're going to get great customer service. Some news reporters came into the building. They were impressed. They wanted to report on the coding program, and then from there, sparked an interest in journalism. And so we have news reporters now that come in and assist our journalism teacher.
We go out of our way to make sure our parents are supported. We make sure that our parents understand that we are here to service them. And then when we need their support for parent-teachers conference, support for curriculum nights, or any other events, the parents are here to support us because they understand that we're here to support them.
When teachers that work here enroll their own kids in the school, then that's just a testament to how Bagley is. You should bring your child here because the John J. Bagley Elementary School of Journalism and Technology is the greatest elementary school on planet Earth.
That's that sense of community, that sense of belonging.
How's that translating virtually?
It's still the same, it's the same way. We communicate on our teams. We have certain chats. And if a teacher sits on there and says, you know what, I need help with whatever, immediately somebody responds. We have communication with our parents as well. So even though the bodies are not physically in the building, we still have that sense of community. We're still connecting with our partners. We're still connecting with our parents on a regular basis. I don't know if you've seen our Facebook page, but we have our daily announcements are done via Facebook, and that's our way of reaching out to the parents, so letting them know exactly what's going on. And we add a little humor to it as well, and that level of enthusiasm. But we still communicate with our parents. We still have that sense of community.
Principal Frost was telling me this is a very technologically enhanced school, laptops and data screens and things of that nature. How does that this more technological environment, what do you think that does for the learning esteem for the children, or their esteem as students?